Mendeleev's periodic table. The Russian scientist Dmitry Mendeleev developed the periodic table of elements during the period 1869 to 1872. In 1869, after Newland's octave law, Mendeleev's periodic table came into the picture. In Mendeleev's periodic table, elements were arranged on the basis of the fundamental property, atomic mass, and chemical properties. During Mendeleev's work, only 63 elements were known. He studied the properties of every element and found that properties of elements were related to atomic mass in a periodic way. So, he arranged elements such that elements with similar properties fell into the same vertical columns of the periodic table. Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of chemical and physical properties of the elements. These were the molecular formulae of hydrides and oxides of the elements, melting points, boiling points, and densities of the elements and their hydrides and oxides. Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. So, Mendeleev's periodic table law states that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. The vertical columns in the Mendeleev's periodic table are called groups. The horizontal rows are called period. Let us study the importance of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev done the systematic study of the elements. He did it with increasing atomic masses and grouping of similar elements together. By the way, the study of the element became quite simpler for him as properties of one element in a particular group were known, properties of others could easily be assumed. So, there was a regular gradation in the properties of elements in groups and periods which was designed by Mendeleev. The second importance is prediction of new elements and their properties. The predicted properties including atomic masses and the discovered elements were found almost similar to the actual properties. For example, in group 3rd B, 4th period, the first series, the element was named by Mendeleev Ika-boron, which was later discovered as scandium. In the same way, group 3rd A, 4th second series period, the element named by Mendeleev was Ika-aluminium, which we know as gallium now. In group 4th A, 4th second series period, the element named by Mendeleev was Ika-silicon, and now it is known as germanium. Mendeleev gave the name Ika, means first in Sanskrit, and boron, that is unknown element. In Mendeleev periodic table, some vacant spaces were left with strong prediction for their discovery later on. If we will observe the Mendeleev's periodic table, in group 2 and 9th series, a dash is given, whereas in group 3 5th series 68 the atomic number is noted. In group 3 4th series 44 atomic number, atomic mass is noted. This means Mendeleev was knowing about these elements but he was not completely sure. So he left some strong prediction for the discovery. Next is Accommodation of noble gases. As right now we know the noble gases, but those were discovered later of Mendeleev's periodic table, and they were added in a new group called zero group, which was not present in original Mendeleev's periodic table. So the original table was not discovered. Was not disturbed. For example, cobalt was placed before nickel so that cobalt could be in the same column as rhodium, which closely resembles it in the properties. Mendeleev did some correction of doubtful atomic masses. The Newland's work, which was done, was completely revised by Mendeleev, and while revising, he found that correction of atomic weights of certain elements such as beryllium group 2nd A, gold group 1st B, platinum group 8th, based on the position in the periodic table. So, Mendeleev's periodic table is the most used periodic table and the most set periodic table for the further information. Now, let us study Mendeleev's periodic table, some advantages. The inclusion of newly discovered elements did not disturb the periodic table. For example, scandium, gallium and germanium, which was Ica boron, Ica silicon and Ica aluminium, they were discovered later on, but they could fit properly in the periodic table. It was used to correct the wrong atomic weights in use at that time. A variance from the atomic weight order was provided by Mendeleev's table. So these are some advantages of Mendeleev's periodic table. Let us study the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Hydrogen's position was in the group of alkali metal, but hydrogen also exhibited halogen-like qualities. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen, that is group 7. What similarities? The molecular formula of hydrogen is H2. The molecular formula of halogen, that is fluorine is F2, chlorine is Cl2, same with bromine and iodine. In the same way, there is a similarity in the chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metal, that is group 1. The similarity in the molecular formula of the compounds of hydrogen alkali metals, that is sodium, potassium, formed with chlorine and oxygen are same. That means hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form HCl, sodium also reacts with chlorine to form NaCl. Hydrogen reacts with sodium to form NaH and hydrogen reacts with carbon to form CH4. So, element hydrogen forms compound with metal as well as compound with non-metal also. There is a similarity in the formulae of compounds like hydrogen alkali metals formed with chlorine and oxygen. On considering these all properties, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the group of alkali metal or in the group of halogens. Isotopes. Those were positioned differently since this type of classification of element was done considering atomic weight of the element. Protium, deuterium and tritium are the isotopes of hydrogen which would occupy varying position in the Mendeleev's table. But isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. As isotopes have the same chemical properties, but they show different atomic masses. A challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table. An anomalous positioning of a few elements showed that the atomic masses did not increase regularly from one element to the next. For example, the placement of cobalt, that is CO, with atomic mass 58.9 is before nickel, which has got atomic mass only 58.7. So this wasn't done by Mendeleev properly. He had put cobalt and nickel in the same place. So students, here we have studied with Mendeleev's periodic table. What is Mendeleev periodic table? The design, the importance of Mendeleev's work, the advantages, that is the limits, and the limitations, that is the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table.